Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get into some centerpieces. So for our first centerpiece, I'm starting with a candle holder I found at my local Salvation Army for 99 cents and an LED candle. So with this LED candle, I can actually put batteries into it to help light it up so I don't have to worry about burning anything down. And then I found these little tiny flowers that actually came with a bouquet that I had, and I decided to cut them off and put them around my candle for a part of my centerpiece. So I also have these beautiful purple little flowers that I'm adding to the centerpiece for an extra pop of color. So I have purple flowers and white flowers. And then I will also add what looks to be like little pink berries at the end. And you'll see them. So it's going to make a really beautiful and simple, elegant centerpiece. Now I'm going to take my berries and some scissors and I'm just going to cut around and layer them around my candle right now. So that gives me my little extra pop of color. I'm going in to arrange just to make sure it is the way that I want it to look. And now we have our completed centerpiece. Let's get started on our next centerpiece. These are the items that we will be using. I purchased these items, the candles and the candle holders, from my local Dollar Tree, and I picked up this long gold tray from my local thrift store. Now I'm just arranging my centerpiece with my candles in my tray the way I want, and I feel like there's probably a little extra something that I should add to it as well. So I'm going to use these gold placemats to help bring together my entire centerpiece. I also added these gold chargers to my gold placemats, and I was able to find these gold chargers at my local thrift store for $1 each, and they're actually made out of real copper. You never know what you may find at your local thrift store, flea market, or yard sale, so never count those places out because you can find some really amazing hidden treasures. Let's get started on our last centerpiece. I have items from my local Dollar Tree and a clearance item. So I have these candles that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, these two mirrors. This is my clearance item. I purchased it for about $3, and my two candle holders. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place my candles inside of my candle holder, as you see here. And then I'm going to take my mirrors and I'm going to put them on either side, as you can see here. And then I'm going to place my candles and my candle holders on top of them. And I'm going to use my bouquet of flowers in the center. So this is what my current centerpiece looks like. So thank you so much today for joining me. We've created 3 beautiful centerpieces. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for other amazing fixes and ideas. Bye!